Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with Budget and Plan with Des. So I just wanted to go over for some reason I was going to say November. Go over the February 14th through February 28th budget by Paycheck. And as you can see, I am using a classic size Happy Planner budget planner. As you all know, I did have the mini budget planner, but I decided I wanted to try a classic size budget planner out. My mini planner for Planner Babe, I do still have it, and all of my other mini planners, I do still have those as well, but I do want to use a classic size planner for the budget planner. So let's get started. When it comes to the income, when I added everything up, the income total was $3,401.79. When it comes to medical, of course I budgeted for 10, and we actually only paid 10 as well, so that was the same. For AT&T, budgeted for $420, $241.66, but we actually paid $356.60, guys. We finally did it. We finally jumped in, paid off our cell phones, 2 phones, and our AT&T bill has been reduced by 60, I believe it's about $63, I believe. So the bill is going down, so next month we will see that. For electricity, of course the electricity bill was $83, but I did round up to $85, and that was the same. For rent, budgeted $181, and we spent $181. Mattress Firm, we only budgeted for $50, but we ended up paying $399. We finally paid Mattress Firm off. And you know what? I was thinking about credit cards. So instead of going through the budget and finishing it up, let's talk about credit cards for a couple seconds. So when I was paying off Mattress Firm, I was thinking about, why do we get credit cards? I was thinking, when it comes to credit cards, we see all of these interest free until, I don't know, 2024, 2025, things like that. We ended up getting talked into getting a credit card, even though we may have the amount to pay it off, such as Mattress Firm. So I ended up getting a Mattress Firm account in 2018, I believe, or possibly 2019. I don't remember which one. I had the money to pay off Mattress Firm after that first month of having this card. I should have closed it then, but I didn't. Why? Because it was interest free. I didn't have to rush to pay it off. But you know what? If I wouldn't have paid it off before the, what is it called? The deferred payment expired, which is next year in 2021 in July. If I wouldn't have paid it off before then, I would have had to pay interest on all of that money, which I'm glad I didn't have to do. So think about things when it comes to credit cards before you actually apply. Think about if you need that card or not. Think about if you can possibly save for it. And if so, if you save for it and it only takes, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 months, think about going that route. You don't want to have something on your credit that you're not actually going to use. I was thinking about closing this card, but I haven't closed it just yet. Now, since I've paid off Mattress Firm, my credit score did drop 7 points, but it's still in the high 600s, high 700s plus. So that's still good. So let's get back to the budget. When it comes to the health bills, we did budget for $75 for 3 bills. we did pay only $75. For groceries, we did budget for $130, and we was actually under budget by $126, so we had a few dollars left over. When it comes to auto deposit, as I said before in the previous video, which I will link above, so we budget $260, and that would be for savings accounts, holidays, ride share, vacation, things like that. When it comes to fast food, we budgeted for $40. We actually spent $72. Not too bad. We didn't get in the 100 range, but it was a little bit more than expected, but that's okay. When it comes to miscellaneous, we budgeted for $50, and we only spent $10. So that's pretty good. Car maintenance and the actual car payment, since I did forget to add it. So car maintenance plus the car payment of $110, which was $140. We did pay that exact amount. When it comes to out of town, we budgeted for $35. We spent $35. When it comes to gas, we actually was off by 45 cents, but we did pay almost the exact amount. Fun night, which is a cash envelope, we budgeted for $20. We added $20 to that amount. For laundromat, budgeted $10. We took out $10. For hair, budgeted $25 and put $25 in the hair plan. So when it comes to the total, and that's including all of these plus money that's spent. Also, I finally paid off my 401k account, and that amount was $1,000. How much was it? I think I forgot. So $1,389.57. So I don't have to worry about them taking out any more money from my paycheck, except for this time around I did get paid. I actually got paid Wednesday, or partially paid Wednesday, and today as well. And I noticed on my check stub that principal still took out an extra $100, so now I have to get a check in the mail, which sucks, but that's okay. But I'm glad that I finally paid them off. I know most people prefer not to borrow money against your 401k account, but if you do need it and do believe that you will be able to pay it back before it needs to be paid, I would definitely go for it. Of course, you're losing money when it comes to your 401k, but you don't have to go through a credit check to get this done, or any of that, like getting a credit card or a loan. But most people say don't do it, but in my case I will do it again, only if needed. So again, when it comes to spending and the bills, we spent $3,317.47. We did have $122.06 remaining, so I will roll that amount over. Depending on my check for today, which again I've already got paid, which I will make another video. So depending on what that check would be, depends on what I'm going to do with the $122, if I'm going to pay a bill with it or pay debt with it. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. And thanks for watching. Also, by the way, did you know that when it comes to cash envelopes, with these little envelopes here, they make perfect or the best cash envelopes? I know they're very long, but hey, they fit perfectly into my planner with no problem. And I have pretty much all I need. I have 8 of these. So definitely check it out if you're looking for cash envelopes. I think this route is the best way to go. I have 8 envelopes, and I have things from my Skinny Classic, and I just take it with me along with my mini. So thank you all for watching. Have a great rest of your day or night, depending on when you watch this video.